children, today I am going to teach you lesson number 4 of EVS, root support of the plant. In this lesson you will learn what is the functions of roots, how it is useful for a plant, a root is useful for a plant or tree, and some roots are useful for us as food. Okay, now see the picture children. Here in down you can see the root and leaves, then flower, then the stem. Here I am going to teach you a activity. You have to take some horse gram seeds, and that seeds you have to put it in near your house or in your school ground. Okay, then give some water every day. After few days you will see that horse gram, it sprouts and it becomes a plant. After 1 or 2 weeks, gently you have to remove those two plants gently. Okay, then you have to cut the root of a plant. One plant's root you have to cut, and one more plant as it is you have to keep. Then again in 2 pots again sow those 2 plants. Okay, without root and with root. Then you have to keep those 2 plants in the sunlight every day, put water. Then 3-4 days after, observe that. What you will observe? With roots, that plant is nicely it's growing, and the other plant which you have cut the roots, that will definitely it will die. Understood children? Then one more activity I will teach you. How much the roots are useful for us, you will understand that. Understood children? Take a bucket of water. In that water put red ink in that. Okay, and from your garden bring a sapling. Bring a sapling means small plant you have to bring. With roots you have to bring. Then keep that plant in that red ink water. Observe 1 or 2 days after, slowly the stem of the plant becomes red, and the leaves of the plant also becomes red because of the red ink water. How it becomes red children? Because of the roots. Roots is observing the water for the plant. Know this children, the roots absorb water and nutrients essential for the plants. What are the essential nutrients are available in the soil and the water that roots absorb for the plant. And from the soil, water and nutrients reach the stem and leaves through the roots. This is how much useful a root for a plant or tree. Now see the picture children. Root web conserves soil particles and water. This is root web. It looks like a web. Different curves are there, that's why it looks like a web. Roots fix the plants firmly to the soil. Roots fix the plant. Because of roots only the plant can stand strongly. It fixes the plant or tree into the soil. Roots absorb water and nutrients from the soil and supply them to the other parts of the plant. Roots only absorb water and nutrients from the soil and supply them to the other parts of the plants. Now children, these vegetables, these are itself a root. Now what is the name of this vegetable? This is radish, this is carrot, this is beetroot, and this is sweet potato. These are grown inside the soil like roots. These roots only we are using as food. Here one more activity. See children, they have asked ashwagandha. Ashwagandha also one type of root. It's useful for medicines. Ayurvedic doctors use this ashwagandha as medicine. This is also a root. Here they are asking 4 more roots you have to write how you are using. For example, like coriander, we are using, that is also from roots only we have to take out. Coriander is useful for making our sambar or curries tasty or flavorful. And then coriander after, you can write mint, radish, beetroot. These things are useful for what we are using radish and all, for making curries, for making sambar, for food, as food we are using. Now some facts you should know. There is a record that a farmer in Britain, where in Britain, a farmer in Britain, he has grown a the record, he has grown a carrot of 19 feet. Carrot, the carrot size is, it's a hybrid carrot, its height is 19 feet. You can understand how much big is that carrot. One more fact, that in a grass family of 6 kilometer, a grass family is a 6 kilometer. Children, here some surprising facts are about roots. There is a record that a farmer in Britain grew a carrot as long as 19 feet. It's very big, like 19 feet in the year 2007. The next fact is the root of a plant of grass family. It's a plant of grass family is 600 kilometers. This is the distance from Bangalore to Kalaburgi. This much big is that grass plant family. There are records that a banyan tree spread more than 5 acres with the help of its prop roots. With the help of its prop roots. Prop roots means that is the main root of the banyan tree. It spread 5 acres, means you can understand it's very big. Its roots are, it can spread to 5 acres. For example, the big banyan tree in Bengaluru. Some plants, like the plant's name is Apu plants, grow on trees only. On trees only these plants grow. The roots of these plants are green in color and open to air. They absorb the moisture from the air. Moisture means it's like water. They will absorb from air only, they will absorb for them. The next fact is surprising fact. The roots of some plants which grow in the places of scanty rainfall. Scanty rainfall means what, children? Scanty means very less rainfall. Have the capacity to store water and provide to the plants when they need. Some plants, they have capacity where rain is very less, they will store the water in their, that roots will store water with them for providing the plants when rainfall is not there. Certain tribal people, some people will, the tribal people use the water from the roots to drink. From that roots only they will take out water for drinking. There is a record of roots which store about 70 kgs of water. There is a record of roots, they can store 70 kgs of water.